Hey Ali, how you doing?
Doing okay. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thanks for stopping by for SQL Server Database Interview with 5 years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
Today, this is gonna be short. I have a small window, so I'm gonna jump into technical interview right away.
Okay.
What are the best practices to drop a SQL Server database on production?
That's a very good question. Um, I follow these steps to drop database in production. My first step is create a ticket and put down the time when you need to you need to drop the database. So my second action is I receive a ticket, I look at the time, so I plan when what I need to do, and this is what I do. Before 10 minutes before the time of dropping database, I send an email to everyone that who is connected to that database that get out of that database. I need to drop that database because in SQL Server, when you want to drop a database, you use a command, drop database, database name.
Right.
So that command will not let you drop a database if somebody is using that database. So I sent an email, and about like 5 minutes later, I would just kind of check that if somebody has responded that they're out of that database. Right on time, what the scheduled time is, I try to I would run that command, and all of a sudden it would give me error that folks are still in the database. So I would send them high priority email, and to get out of the database. But I have like tried 10 minutes over and over, and same error. So what I did was finally I picked up the phone and called everybody to get out of the database, and I was able to drop the database. But just so that you know that in my previous company we were all in one queue, so whenever I needed to drop the database, I would stand up and I'll tell them that, hey, need time, it's time to drop the database, so get out of the database. But in this company there are new developers, and they don't know. I have written a technical documents, and that in that technical document I have told them, I have showed them with the picture that close their management studio, and that'll get them out of the database. But sometimes it takes time for them to understand technical stuff.
Right. So what you are saying, to drop the database, all the user has to be out from SQL Server or database, and if they are not, then you have to call them. You don't have any other way to do it.
No, because that command will not work without it.
Okay. So what is happening actually? I just got my alert on the phone. We are dropping some databases today, and I need to be there to support my DBA in case new developers we have. They're not closing their SSMS. And I might
Sure.
schedule another interview with you later, maybe. And give you a call.
Sure,
Thanks.
I understand that.
Yeah.
That's a high priority, dropping the database. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.